Hi, brothers and sisters, it's Pastor Tim. I wanted to bring you some news that really points to what the globalists are doing, this New World Order. And it's a beautiful day. I've been cleaning the car. I'm going to go vacuum it. I've been working on some projects after church, obviously, and just worshiping the Lord. God is faithful, and I can't wait to take a hike today. I'm going to do that after I get this car done. If it's nice out and where you're permitted, I encourage getting out and getting some fresh air. It's just wonderful. So anyway, the Governor Pritzker of Illinois, my state, was rebuked by President Trump, the Trump administration. Apparently, I think something like 1.7 million was spent in ordering medical supplies from China to, what I understand, 2 flights that came in from China rather than going through the government because, as the report in Forbes said, his distrust for the president. Now, what's interesting is, so he gets rebuked. The president basically calls him a whiny baby, and he gets rebuked by the president and the Trump administration. And then Hillary Clinton comes out in public forums praising J.D. Pritzker. Brothers and sisters, this is pointing out the globalists, the elitists, and it's the system of Antichrist that is rising. And again, I'm not fear-mongering. I just like to bring the geopolitical that ties to the prophetic. This has substance. Then I saw an article, I think it was Tara who sent it to me, and Now the End Begins. It might have been Rosemary. It was Rosemary or Tara, one of you, thank you so much, about Chinese drones that are surveillance over 22 states. And it's true. Companies and agencies are in fact doing that. So it's really interesting. You've got, now, you've heard me say there is no political solution to a spiritual problem. But we know that many of these leaders, they want to see the destruction of America. Absolutely. They are part of the globalists and New World Order. If you don't believe me, the system is rising. Think about the ID for the patent for what Bill Gates is working on, that the mark that will go on our body. It's under the interface, whatever they're calling it, that was the WO 2020 060606 was the patent number, and that has been verified. That's truth. That's truth. And we're not making this stuff up. Woo! I'll tell you what, things are happening at breakneck speed. So what do we do about that? We boldly share the gospel. If you have not seen the posts I put on my community wall, my Twitter, my Facebook, from Brother Greg Jackson, I know there were many people who have shared that. He has the gift of the written word. Go look at that. Solo fide, faith plus nothing equals salvation and eternal security. The ABCs of salvation is in the description box. I just wanted to make sure that I brought you guys this news. This is in Now the End Begins. They call it Red Dawn. I like that title for it. Things are moving at breakneck speed. God bless you guys. Shalom, shalom, and have an awesome rest of your day.